This is naturopathic Dr. Jun Masagka. Okay, what are stem cells? Stem cells are undifferentiated cells with the capacity to multiply into 220 cell types that form in the human body. Why these crystal cells heal different kinds of diseases? It is simply because it repairs the damaged cells of the human body. For example, you have experiencing diabetes. Your blood is in the highest peak of sugar. The reason why you're getting high blood sugar is because of the damage of beta cell. Beta cell is producing insulin. We have our own insulin production in our body. So when you have the damage of the beta cell, you cannot regulate your blood sugar. That's why the doctor says that if you had diabetes, you have to maintain a metformin, diamicron, diabetrol, glucontrol, glucopads, and after that, pag hindi na kaya, if these drugs cannot give you a good result, you will inject insulin. But you have a own insulin in the body. The only problem is your beta cell cannot work properly. So we need to repair the beta cell to produce more insulin just to heal your diabetes. Okay? So crystal cell is the solution for your diabetes. Not only diabetes, if you have cancer, if you have asthma, if you have brain problem, any kinds of severe cases, I recommend you, crystal cell is the only thing, is stem cells that can support your productions of the normal cells in the human body. Right? Okay? We have also this Snowfil forte. Snowfil forte is actually stem cells for the blood. If you are experiencing any blood deformity or dysfunctionality, I will suggest the Snowfil forte. For those who are suffering leukemia or blood anemia, okay, these stem cells can heal those different kinds of blood problems. All right, thank you very much, and I hope you learned something about stem cells therapy. Thank you.